Okay, pre. Start pag ready ka na.
Gigi, start.
Okay. Um, Start ka na.
Gigi.
Tell me, tell me about yourself.
I'm Franz Edward Jimutin. I'm a first year BSIT student from DYCI. I am passionate about technology and enjoy learning through hands-on projects. I'm motivated, responsible, and always willing to learn.
Why did you choose your school? And what is your major?
I choose DYCI because it has a strong foundation in discipline and quality education. My major is BSIT because I enjoy technology and problem solving.
What do you know about our company?
I know your company values professionalism, quality service, and growth. I appreciate your commitment to excellence and improving your client experience.
Why did you apply for this job?
I want to gain a real work experience, develop my skills, and grow professionally while contributing to your team.
How well do you work in teams?
I work well in teams. I communicate clearly, listen to others, and support the group to achieve our goals.